Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for server performance, memory. Specifically, we're looking at the ATEC 16GB DDR4 3200MHz ECC unbuffered UDM, a replacement RAM module designed for Dell servers. If you're running a Dell server and need a memory upgrade, this ATEC module is worth considering. It's designed as a compatible replacement for Dell part numbers like SNPR 1WG8 C16G, AB66418, R1WG8, and 0R1WG8. Compatibility is key with server components, and ATEC has positioned this module as a direct replacement. This is a 16GB module, so you get a decent boost in memory capacity. It operates at 3200 MHz, which falls under the PC4-25600 or PC4-3200AA specification. It's a DDR4 DMM with 288 pins, which is standard for DDR4 memory. The ECC unbuffered designation is important. ECC, or error correcting code, memory is designed to detect and correct single-bit errors, which is crucial for maintaining data integrity in server environments. The unbuffered part means it's a UDIM, and it's critical to remember that this type of memory cannot be mixed with other ECC types like ECC registered or load reduced, or even non-ECC unbuffered memory. Mixing memory types can lead to system instability or failure to boot. It's a 1RX8 module, meaning it's a single rank module with an X8 configuration. It operates at the standard DDR4 voltage of 1.2V. ATEC emphasizes that memory compatibility can vary depending on the specific system model and the components already installed. Always verify compatibility before purchasing, and follow the memory channel guidelines for your server to ensure optimal performance. Consult your server's manual. The benefit of upgrading your server's memory is significant. More RAM translates to faster loading times, improved responsiveness, and the ability to handle larger workloads. This is especially important for servers that are running virtual machines, databases, or other resource-intensive applications. ATEC provides a lifetime warranty on their memory, which is a great reassurance. They also offer US-based tech support, which can be helpful if you have any questions or issues during installation or operation. In summary, the ATEC 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz ECC unbuffered UDIM is a solid option for upgrading the memory in compatible Dell servers. The ECC functionality, combined with the lifetime warranty and tech support, makes it a worthwhile investment for improving server performance and stability. Just be sure to double-check compatibility with your specific server model before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.